Here at Grand General, we understand that driving down the road on stock parts just doesn't feel right. There is more to the numbers that reflect on the odometer, which is why we've spent countless hours designing and manufacturing parts that will add quality, comfort, and style, all while you're putting in the hard work. Here we feature our one-piece heavy-duty solid aluminum CNC machine shift knobs in a straight grip and T-shaped design that will fit on 13 and 18-speed trucks. The knobs require no adapter or base for easy installation and will provide a look and feel to accommodate drivers with the best of both worlds of style and comfort. Quality is a foundation of our products, so if quality matters, make sure you choose Grand General Parts and Accessories. For more information, please visit us at grandgeneral.com.